Meaning of instructor.
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 Instructor. The term instructor typically refers to someone who teaches or trains others in a particular subject or skill. An instructor can be found in a variety of settings, from schools and universities to vocational training programs and corporate training sessions. The role of an instructor is to provide guidance, instruction, and support to help learners acquire new knowledge or skills. Instructors may also be responsible for developing lesson plans, evaluating student progress, and providing feedback and support to help learners achieve their goals.